Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss Constitution of India part 3 video, which is very much important for all the competitive examination. First question: how many writs mentioned in our Constitution? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. The right answer is option C 5. There are 5 writs mentioned in our Constitution. 5 writs are habeas corpus, certiorari, prohibition, mandamus, quo warranto. High Court and Supreme Court having authority to issue the writs. Under Article 226, High Court having authority to issue the writ. Under Article 32, Supreme Court has authority to issue the writs. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the Goods and Service Tax Council? And the options are 262, 279A, 266, 280. And the right answer is 279A. Under Article 279A, GST Council was formed, and chairman for GST Council will be Union Finance Minister. And other options: 262 deals with Interstate River Commission, 266 deals with Consolidated Fund, 280 deals with Finance Commission. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with legal property right? And the options are 312, 315, 300A, 324. And the right answer is 300A. Right to property was removed and it made as a legal right under Article 300A in 44th Amendment 1978. And other options: 312 related to administrative service, Indian police service, that is in short IAS, IPS, etc. And 324 deals with election commission. Which article deals with finance emergency? Option A 352, option B 356, option C 360, option D 108. And the right answer is 360. Article 360 deals with finance emergency. There are 3 types of emergency mentioned in our Constitution. First one is national emergency, state emergency, and third one is national financial emergency. In our country, still financial emergency was not declared, whereas national emergency under Article 352 declared in India for 3 times. First time it was declared on 1962 during India-China war. Second time national emergency was declared during India-Pakistan war in 1971. Third time it was declared in 1975 due to internal disturbance. For first time 1962 Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru, whereas for second and third time Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of our country. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with amendments? Option A 368, option B 343, option C 350A, option D 324. And the right answer is option A 368. 368 deals with amendments. Recent amendments I have mentioned here. 101, Amendment 101 introducing the GST. Amendment 102, Constitutional status to National Commission for Backward Classes. Amendment 103, maximum 10% reservation for economical weaker section, that is EWS, which is in news now. Amendment 104, that extension of reservation seats for SC/STs in Lok Sabha and Vidhana Sabhas from 70 years to 80 years, and also removal of Anglo-Indian in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. 105 related to restoring the powers of state governments to identify other backward classes that are socially and economically backward. And other options: 343 related to Hindi as an official language of the country. 350A, children should get a primary education in mother tongue. 324 related to election commission. Which amendment is known as mini constitution? Option A Amendment 1, option B, Amendment 21, option C, Amendment 44, option D, Amendment 42. And the right answer is Amendment 42. Amendment 42 is known as a mini constitution. As per this amendment, most of the changes are made. Fundamental duties were included in 42nd Amendment 1976, and the basic structure of the constitution was changed. Means some words were added like socialistic, secular, integrity, right, in 42nd Amendment. That's why it is known as a mini constitution. Which amendment voting age reduced from 21 to 18? Options are 61, 21, 71, 92. And the right answer is Amendment 61. 61st Amendment of our Constitution, right, 1989, the voting age of election to the Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly of the state from 21 years to 18 years. And other three amendments which I have mentioned here related to languages. 21st Amendment 1967, Sindhi language was added into our constitution as official language. 71st Amendment 1992, Konkani, Maithi, Manipuri, Nepali languages were added. Amendment 92, 2003, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, then Santali languages were added into our constitution. Totally 22 official languages are present in our constitution. Here easy to remember, 21 plus 71 will be equals to 92, so that easy to remember the amendment related to languages. Sarkaria Commission is related to which of the following? Option A, relation between central and state. Option B, bank reforms. Option C, education. Option D, election reform. And the right answer is relation between central and state. When did Fazal Ali Committee is formed? Option A, 1953. Option B, 1954. Option C, 1955. Option D, 1956. And the right answer is 1953. Fazal Ali Committee is also known as States Recognization Committee, which is formed in 1953 to recommend the reorganization of the state boundaries. Right, and the chairman for this committee is Fazal Ali. That's why its committee is also called as Fazal Ali Committee. And other members are Panikkar and Kunzur are the members of his committee. As per this committee only, Andhra Pradesh was first formed based on the language.